talk today about how to get good at public speaking fast. The best way that you can get good at public speaking fast is, you're not going to believe this, but getting on podcasts. That's right. Get on podcasts, because when you get on a podcast as a guest expert in any particular area, which is your area of expertise, you get on the podcast and you have a conversation with another human being about your area of expertise. Now, when you get in front of anybody who's asking you about your area of expertise, you shine. You absolutely shine. And that particular topic that you're an expert on is something that you can have a regular conversation with a regular person on. So when that interview host, that podcast host, brings you on and says, "Hey, Kimberly, we'd love for you to talk about the 4 things you need to do as an entrepreneur that will maximize your business," you can be like, "Excellent, I have 4 things that we can talk about." So you'll get on that podcast and you'll start having the conversation with the person. And then they'll naturally ask you questions. And when they ask you questions and you have the answers, you'll be surprised at what an expert you really are. The more you talk through what your expertise is, the more you get clear on what they want to know as an audience member. So then you can improve what you add and what you contribute to your talk before you even finish completing it, right? So this is an opportunity to be able to get really good at a talk before it's even finished. So I recommend getting on podcasts as your best rehearsal stage. It's an opportunity to practice your talk before you deliver it as a presentation style. Now, presentation style is when you deliver a talk from start to finish in 20 minutes, 90 minutes, 45 minutes, 10 minutes, and you deliver the same talk presentation style, but you're expanding and contracting it based on the questions that people have asked you in the past, so that you know how much you can put into your talk. The thing is, you shouldn't really memorize any talk. The only talk that I've memorized recently was my TED Talk, and that was because it was absolutely required that I memorize every single part of it. In real life, you should be able to deliver your talk when people interrupt you and ask you questions. If they ask questions from the audience, or they're a podcaster and they're asking questions, it's a great opportunity to be able to practice really knowing your stuff and being able to deliver on the fly. If you haven't already started getting on stages, I would highly recommend checking out Speakers Playhouse. Speakers Playhouse is a virtual event that we do every single Thursday from 10:30 a.m. to noon Pacific. You can check it out at speakersplayhouse.com. It's a completely free event, and we drop somewhere between 20 and 70 stages every single week, so that you can get an opportunity to get in front of other people's audiences. If you want to get in front of other people's audiences, come to Speakers Playhouse. We'll see you there. It's summertime, and these are Crowe Clips teaching you how you can grow your business by getting on other people's stages, and how to be the best at what you are, which is an entrepreneur. All right, folks, this has been another Crowe Clips. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Kimberly Crowe. We'll see you next time. Cheers.